Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. We're taking a look at question number 14 on the 9th grade math contest, the 9th grade multiple choice contest, the Pascal from the year 2003. What does question 14 say? If x and y are positive integers, and x plus y is 5, then a possible value for 2x minus y is, and then we've got different possibilities here. Okay. So only one of these can be right. What could it be? Well, what can we do here? Okay. I think I've got an idea. I know that x plus y is 5. And I know 2x minus y is one of these answers. Let's give it a name. Let's call it n. N is one of the answers. There's probably a lot of values that n could be. And there's probably a lot of them. That's why the question was worded so vaguely. They said a possible value for 2x minus y is. There's probably lots of different values that can be put in there. Okay? But let's say n is one of them. N is whichever one, A, B, C, D, or E, that is the right answer. I don't know what it is, but I'd like a little bit of information so I could narrow it down. What I could do is take each of them in turn. I know 2 was one of the answers. Plug in 2 here and see, can I solve this system? Yes? Okay, 2's the answer. No? Okay, I've got to find another one. Or I can just plug in a dummy variable, n, and see if I can work with these equations, try and solve them, and see if I can learn something about n. Maybe n has to be odd. Maybe n, when I divide it by 5, has to have a remainder of 2. Something like that. Any bit of information. Maybe n has to be a square. And if I can learn some more information, I look and say, oh, which of these answers is a square? That sort of thing. Okay? So rather than trying each one of the possible answers and solving, let's just put an n in there and see what happens. When I do that, I notice I've got these two equations lined up all nice and neat. And I've got a plus y and a minus y. I can add these equations. X plus 2x is 3x. Y plus negative y, that's 0. So we get nothing here. 5 plus n, well, that's 5 plus n. So x is 5 plus n over 3. Okay? So, if x has got to be an integer, which I think they said, did they say that? X and y are positive integers. Okay, positive might even be the key because we got negative numbers here. We'll see. But x has got to be a positive integer. So x is an integer. So 3 has to divide 5 plus n. So we're looking for the value between A, B, C, and D, and E that makes 5 plus n divisible by 3. So I'll make a little chart of what my n should be, what 5 plus n is, and what my x is to make sure that it's positive. And hopefully only one of these will work. Otherwise, we should go back and try and find some more information. So 3, negative 3, 2, negative 2, and 0. So in this case, 5 plus n is 3 plus 5 is 8. And x is, it's not going to be an integer. Okay? 3 doesn't divide 8. So now 5 plus negative 3, that's going to be 2. 2 divided by 3, that's also not an integer. 5 plus 2, that's 7. 5 minus 2, that's 3. 5 plus 0, that's 5. Only one of these gives us an integer. X is going to be 1, and then I guess y would have to be 4. And then 2 times 1 is 2 minus 4. That's going to be negative 2, and that is our n value. So this one works, and our answer is going to be D. It has to be D. All right. Not bad. Not bad at all. That was question number 14. We have question number 15 to look forward to. Give it a shot before watching the next video, and I'll see you there.